guys, welcome to J Gaming YT. So today we are going to see how to get Jackalope and busted from the army base and how to enter army base safely. Army base is very tough to go. It's very tough to go to army base in Gangstar Vegas. But there is one easy technique which can help you. So for that you need to go to airport for getting a jet plane.
Classic Vibes 101.4 Warriors Legend.
And click the bell notification if you want to see our updates, etc. So mark the army base at the map. So guys, you know where is the army base. So mark the army base and go. And if you if you are caught by the army people, it's very tough to escape the star police. And you need to give so much money for the recovery. It depends on the money how much you have. It's very bad thing if you are injured. So we have entered the army base. So go up before entering the army base and jump. So guys, we have so let's escape the star police. So drifting is very bad thing which happens. So at starting I taught to how to get bust. So let's escape the star police. Escaping the star police is very tough thing. But still, if you come near these windmills and go at this desert route, you can easily escape the star police. So let's go. So here we have escaped the star police. It's very easy. Unfortunately, we did not find any busted or jackalope. But make sure you carry at least 3 medikits and 2 repair kits while going to army base. If you find the jackalope, immediately get into it. So in the next episode, if I find jackalope, I'll record it and show it to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I got poison. I have bought poison and Kagras. So in the next episode I'll show you the best bike stunts and etc. So bye guys, and never try to escape police in the roadways because they can even block you. So go near windmills and go in the desert route, easily you can escape. And if you find any tank going front of you, just crash it. Don't think, because tank can't shoot nearby. This technique can be useful while getting supercars or superbikes, and you can easily earn money, as I said you. So bye guys, please do like and subscribe. And after that I'm even thinking to make another episode how to get property in Gangstar Vegas. For that you need much money, and I have made a video how to get money already. So bye.